Hello everyone, welcome to the Predictive Powerhouse with Oracle Cloud EPM session. I'm Ivgen Guner, Executive Vice President of Oracle's Global Business Finance team. During this session, I will walk you through highlights of Oracle's transformation from on-premise solutions to cloud. I'll share the technical foundation that helped set us up for success. Then I will share examples of how we use Oracle Cloud EPM for predictive analytics. And finally, I'll leave you with some tips we have learned throughout our transformation. Now, if you aren't already embracing a move to digital transformation within your finance function, let me quickly explain why this is vital to your success. Your objective should be to optimize your organization's digital intelligence. Not only you will eliminate a whole bunch of complexity and manual processes, but you will also enable your organization to gain unprecedented business insights. Most critically, the intelligence you gain will prepare you to better manage performance, better predict possible outcomes, and be ready for unforeseen events. And let's face it, those unforeseen events are what we've been dealing with over the last few years, right? Now, if we move on, what I wanted to really emphasize is that Oracle's digital transformation was not accomplished all at once. It was an overnight thing. Our strategy was to make steady and continuous progress. We prioritized which solutions to move to the cloud-based on business priorities. So we led with cloud applications that delivered immediate value to the business. That helped us gain quick wins to keep the team motivated to stay on transformation journey. So let's start from the beginning. Our strategy was to make constant incremental changes, moving away from on-premise applications and toward full cloud adoption. We made 3 decisions early on that would build the foundation for that success. First, we installed Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub as the engine to align information, enforce accounting policies, and meet multiple reporting requirements. That important step paved the way for agility, control, and insight. Second, we began installing our own cloud applications to coexist with on-prem applications. That allowed us to keep our transformation momentum without our business disruption or any business disruption. For example, during this time, we implemented Oracle Marketing Cloud and Oracle Talent Management. Finally, we upgraded our core applications like ERP, EPM, HCM in a logical steps to complete our applications-focused digital transformation. Building on those 3 foundation principles, we had a global vision to become true business partners, contributing value across the entire organization. We did some self-reflection when we began our transformation journey. So to nobody's surprise, what we learned was that we spend most of our time on very mundane tasks like data gathering and reporting and very little time on real analytics. That left us little to no time to influence and contribute to any business decisions, let alone predict forward-looking scenarios. That realization helped crystallize our vision, move from data gathering organization to become a business influencer and business partner. So we invested in our people and we invested in Oracle Cloud EPM. We gained greater innovation and agility, and we provided our employees with intuitive, powerful self-service capabilities and reinvested enhancing our employees' skill sets. Now, that is empowerment. On a practical level, this transformation resulted in a major process simplification, saving hundreds of man hours. We have real-time access to data, Manual processes are now automated, and we use advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning for planning and forecasting. Our employees are now much more productive, and it's been an incredible journey, and it's wonderful to witness the skill sets transformation within my own team. I count that as one of the most rewarding outcomes from our transformation journey. Now, I believe there has never been a more important time to be in finance. As the level of automation increases, finance is now able to allocate more time and resources to analytics. We are past the point of showing what happened in the past, and we are even past the point of what's happening in real time. We are now able to accurately identify what is likely to happen. The exciting part is that our own tools are helping Oracle Finance evaluate a range of options to decide what is the right course of action for the business to take next. Now, today, our finance team is a proactive contributor to the business and an influencer of innovation and growth. We have become much more predictive with our planning activities. Our analytics capabilities drive action plans, and therefore decision-making is much more improved following those data-driven approaches. For example, we can conduct a deep dive analysis on a business unit's underperformance to identify root causes and lay out mitigation actions. Or we can drill down on better than expected performance to understand best practices. Or we can model various scenarios for a change in pricing strategy, including price elasticity or benchmarking. Or we can model free cash flow, or we can model data center profitability, or supply chain management, or inventory management. This stretches beyond finance into operational excellence, and the examples are endless. We can complete forecasts and scenario plans at a much faster pace with far more accuracy. We can attribute that accuracy to one common data platform and real-time data. And with the power of machine learning, our finance team can blend and correlate third-party data, if needed, to drive better predictions in the scenario planning cycle. That is how we are driving business influence and contributing to actions that move the business forward. Now, if we move on, with all that said, the real measurement is in the numbers. It is really inspiring to look at the benefits we have achieved so far, and it keeps getting better. We have eliminated 2,000 hours of data gathering every quarter, so we're saving roughly about 8,000 hours per year. We established a standard global methodology for revenue modeling and expense forecasting that eliminated over 100 manual forecasting spreadsheets. That reduced errors and omissions. We also eliminated handoffs between the teams through automated consolidation process, which led to the cutting of over 1,000 hours of manual work during our first year of running Oracle Cloud EPM. So as you see, we have gained massive amounts of productivity without sacrificing quality or accuracy. Now, I have described how we progress from data gathering to the point of providing predictive analytics and insights to stay ahead of change. So the next logical step was to automate those insights. Oracle Finance team are active participants in helping innovate our cloud applications. The next innovation that we are involved in is a tool called Oracle Cloud EPM Insights. This is a new tool that exploits the latest technologies like machine learning, robotic process automation, digital assistance, and natural language processing. That saves us days of ad hoc analysis. Insights has automated pattern detection to help expose the needles in a haystack, to speak of. This with a fantastic speed and efficiency. It identifies anomalies, trends, and bias in financial and operational data. We let the machines do the heavy lifting. The insights are displayed in one dashboard, giving our team the ability to act fast. Now, it is still early stages in the cycle for us to use insights in full capacity, but please do stay tuned for future Oracle at Oracle sessions with measurable outcomes. Now, I will leave you with 3 very high-level takeaways based on our experience throughout transformation. 1, overcome any fear of unknown. Use a crisis as an opportunity to innovate. Reimagine your processes and use the cloud to get rid of those legacy baggage that's weighing you down. 2nd, look deeper into the future. Consider the most plausible scenarios for beyond next year. Throw in a worst-case scenario so that you are prepared for another catastrophic event. Lastly, capitalize on new opportunities. Establish a culture that's agile, flexible, and change-ready to expose potential growth opportunities on new industries or new markets that are being created right now. And with that, I will finish by saying thank you for watching. I hope you can leverage Oracle's transformation strategy of continuous cloud adoption, our lessons learned, and you will be able to utilize the latest Oracle technologies to automate those insights. Please visit oracle.com, Oracle at Oracle, to hear other examples of how we use our own cloud applications for success. Thank you very much.